And then in this verse, in another version, maybe let me pick it up in different version. It doesn't matter at all whether or not one is circumcised. What does matter is being a new creature. In another version, the Bible said, for having circumcised, maybe let me go to the second part, and not having circumcised, but only a new order of existence. In another version, look at that. He says, no uncircumcision, but only a new creation, which is the result of a new birth and a spiritual transformation, a new nature in Jesus Christ. My message is going to be centered around this place whilst we talk about revival. In other words, these preachers have explained and talked too much to us concerning the ways and the move of God, the power of God, the presence of God, the effect of being born again. Because we'll be born again. And that is not it. I mean, they have gone deeply, quote the scriptures, preach the gospel to us, in a very powerful way. By now, there is nobody who has stayed in the presence or in the house of God for less than 1 month. All of us have been here at least from our childhood, having attended church one way or the other. But since you became born again, he is now talking about when we come here and we are seated in this place, we are trying to achieve a new creation, which is as a result of a new birth and a spiritual transformation and a new nature that is in Jesus Christ. Let me talk to you about Jesus for a little bit. The Bible said there were certain Greeks among them that came to worship at the feast, and the Bible said the same therefore came to Philip, which was of Bethsaida of Galilee, and beside him says, Philip, we want to see Jesus. We didn't come to the fathers, we did not come to the feast, and our fashion in by you, Philip. We did not come as tourists to Jerusalem. We have heard that the Christ is in Jerusalem, and we want to meet Christ. Why would Greeks want to meet Christ? Because in their day, they were the top of their civilization. The Greeks, when they were top of wisdom in philosophy, we mention people like Socrates, Plato, Aristotle, and many are there, and these are the people that controlled the Greek civilization. So why will they leave Greek and come to a place like Jerusalem?